Tweetie here, with the description has links below, and we have plenty of playlists. This attitude session is about compassion. It is not taught in schools at all. Instead of teaching children how to empathize with others and try to ease their suffering or assist their feelings or their physical pain, the Bible tells a story of the Good Samaritan. You may want to look that up. You need to put yourself in the shoes of others and try to understand them and teach children to do the same and to help end the suffering in this world. It might just be enough to say hi or to nod at somebody as your neighbor who is walking out their front door. Let them know you're there. Let them know that you know they're there. And if you like this tip, give us a like. If you want more tips, subscribe. We thank you for dropping by. Angels all around.